How to recover your Gmail account. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover your Gmail account's password. So you just want to go ahead and type in Gmail recovery on your search history. And from here, you want to tap on account support. It will lead you to this page where you can just enter your email address and tap on next. Once you do that, you can either use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock, or try another way, where if you remember your password, you can get your password right here. But if you don't remember, what you can do is get a reset link on your recovery email. So just tap on get a verification code on your recovery email. And if you don't even have a recovery code, what you can do is try another way to sign in, and Google will confirm if this phone is yours. So just tap on continue, and a sign-in link will be sent to this email right here. So Google needs to verify to make this request. So after this time, you can check if you've got a sign-in link or not. So if you have not got the link, you just have to wait, and after you get the link, you can easily recover your account from there. If you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.